I got 3 VELUX skylights here, 3 of which have solar powered shades, and the middle one opens and closes, and it's also powered by solar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate the solar on each unit to get the blinds working and to get the operation of the open and close working. The middle skylight that opens and closes is a VCS VELUX with rain sensor. So here's the solar panel, here's the wire connector, and this right here is a rain sensor. I'm going to show you how that works later. You are going to need a Phillips screwdriver to complete this task. This here piece of tape is actually holding up the other part of the connector. It's just a small connector just like the other one. Before I connect the wires together, I'm going to loosen this screw and this screw, which are intentionally there to mount this on like this. Loosen it just a bit. All right, there it goes just like that. Find your screws and tighten them up. That's it. That was so easy. Okay, last step here on the roof, that little tab right there on top, line that up, and click it in, make sure it clicks in. Now we can move on to the inside and turn on the power button. Yeah, that little button I have to turn on to activate the power for the solar skylight is way up there. Unfortunately, I had my island put in before I activated all this. I should have done this sooner, but I got so many things going on here with my project, I forgot. I have about 5 days to get everything done above this island before the countertop guys put in the countertops. I have to get all the way up there in that middle skylight and push that power button. So let's get it done. So there's my button right here at the bottom of the skylight. It looks like I'm gonna need a screwdriver. I still have my Phillips head on me here. Let's see if we can turn that on. Okay, I just switched it on. So right here is the remote to open and close the skylight. As you can see, it's got the little ventilation icon right there. So all I've got to do is pull this red tape out of here, I think. Okay, and that should be already synced together. So let's see what happens. Let's push the button open. Check it out. There it is, man. It's working good. I'm sure there's not a ton of power on that solar panel right now because I just installed it and it's at the end of the day where the sun's not hitting it. So by tomorrow, this will probably open a lot faster. That's what I'm thinking. I also want to point out when you're using the remote, you want to hit the button twice real quick. That'll open it. As you can see, it's starting to open. You can stop and then double click the bottom and that'll close it. Okay, so like I mentioned before, solar panel, rain sensor. So let's see if I can emulate rain and see if this thing's going to work by itself. Look at that. It's closing rather fast too. It's closing faster now that I touch this than it was using the remote. That's a great feature. Very well done, VELUX. I'm impressed with this. This is awesome. Wow, I highly recommend this. This setup was flawless, super easy, super fast. Having the rain sensor feature is priceless because you may leave your house in the morning, decide to let some fresh air in, and then by the afternoon we got clouds and it starts raining. As soon as this little guy picks up rain, it's going to just close it for you so you don't have to stress about it all day. That's a great, great feature. So why install a skylight that opens and closes? Well, ventilation. A lot of people, a lot of homeowners I should say, do not understand what ventilation is and how important it is in your house, in your attic area. If you have a room with vaulted ceilings like I have now, that's why I had this installed, because throughout the day, if you don't have your air conditioning on and you come home and the house is just full of heat, you can open this up, open a couple windows, cool air will come in through the windows if it's at the end of the day, and push the hot air right out. And then you don't have to turn on your air conditioner to try to make it cool and comfortable in there. Just give it a little time to work, and who knows, 30 minutes to an hour, you'll have a nice, comfortable home. And then you can close this if you want, and then turn on your air conditioner. There's many different ways to do it. Each home is going to be different. Each home is going to have a hot room, a cold room, So if you have a room that's really hot all the time and you have the ability to put a skylight in, get a powered skylight that opens and closes. You can also buy these that hardwired if you want, or you can just use the solar. And if the solar fails, it's as simple as unscrewing 2 screws and unplugging it and replacing this piece. That's all. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, but don't go away yet. I am going to show you how to activate the solar shades as well. And yes, the VELUX Skylight also comes with a screen, because once you open that up, you don't want birds or bugs flying into your house. Real easy to put in. It's got 2 pins right here. And put the bottom in first. Make sure you push the pins in before you start pushing it up into your skylight. You might have to do some touch up. I have to touch this up anyway. The screen is in. Now I can open this and use it every day. I'm very excited about this. This is a great product. Now let me show you how to sync your remote to your shade. The first thing you want to do is you want to remove these red plastic tabs right here. Just pull them right out, real simple. I have 3 skylights, which means I have 3 shade remotes. What I did was I took a label maker and I put left shade, middle shade, and right shade. So if you have multiple skylights, you might want to grab one of these. So in order to activate and sync your remote to the appropriate skylight, there's a couple things you got to do. As I already showed you, with the shade, you push in the button to activate the shade and it moves back and forth a few times, then it sets itself all the way up. As that's happening, you want to take your remote and you want to go right here in this little part right here for syncing, and you just want to put a paper clip and push it down for a second while your shade is moving back and forth. They will read each other, they will connect, and then hit the bottom button right here, and that'll get the shade to close all the way. That's all you have to do to activate your shade and sync it to your remote control. All right, let's have a little fun.
Oh my gosh!
I can see that white connector from my backyard. Come on, VELUX, you can do better than this. I can see this cable hanging down. It looks really sloppy. I looked through the bag that VELUX gave me with all the, screws and everything else. I don't see any way of attaching this underneath here so it's not an eyesore. Went on Amazon and I got these adhesive cable clips. So here's what the clip looks like. So I'm going to try one of these, adhesive backing, and you just clip the wire right to it so it's not sagging. So let's give it a try. First thing you need to do though is get an alcohol swab, and you want to clean the area you're going to stick that to so it stays on there really well. Here's what it looks like with the clip I just added right there. Honestly, I still don't like the way it looks. I wish they would have gave us a black connector, because that white connector just stands out like a sore thumb. Come on, VELUX, you can do better than this. Change the color of that connector so it's black, so it blends, or gray, so it blends in with the skylight, because it's really noticeable from the ground. So I'm probably gonna, I don't know, maybe spray paint it or wrap it with electrical tape, one or the other. It looks sloppy. You have such a great product. You gotta straighten this out. This is a simple fix. Change the color or give more cord coming out of the base of the skylight so we can tuck that thing up higher and put some clips there to keep it out of the way. Now let's go over the pricing of the skylights. The ones I purchased is the VELUX Solar Powered Venting Curb Mounted Skylight. That's the one that opens and closes, and that comes with a rain sensor. That price was about $1,800 plus $110 for the flashing kit. Depending on the size of your skylight, you may pay more for the flashing kit and of course more for the skylight. The other 2 skylights on each side of the venting skylight are fixed, which means they don't open, but they do come with solar shades. The price for that is $475 each, plus the cost of the flashing kits. I will put links in the description so you can find these easily online. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.